Hello guys, this is Nitesh here and welcome you all to our EasyLearning.Guru tutorials. So in this session I'll be going to show you how to create your column families as well as your columns inside your HBase shell. So that is basically the version which we are using over here. It's your Clouded Hadoop Distribution 3.7. So let's have a look. So first of all you need to open your terminal. And now we'll be going to start our HBase shell, followed by the command HBase shell, as you can see over here. So now we are inside our HBase shell. So in this case I'll be going to show you followed by the list that will gonna give you the list of tables which is present inside your HBase shell. So as you can see in this case we are having two rows, that's basically your tables inside your HBase shell. So now we'll be going to create a table name, as you can see, along with your column families as well as columns inside that will be going to feed. So let's create, followed by the name of your table. In this case I'll be going to create the name as your SQOOP. That's basically the name of my table is school over here, and in this case I'll be going to take the column families as your name, that's your student and teacher. So as you can see, this is my first column family. So one more column family I'll be going to create over here, that will be your named as teacher. So as you can see, two column families which I have created inside it. Okay, so basically the error over there, it's basically we have to write this name, that's basically your column families, inside your single quotes. So as you can see, now we're gonna create. So as you can see, it has been created, and in this case you just have a look, followed by the command, that's your scan. So as you can see, we are having like empty rows inside it. So that is particularly the command scan, mainly to retrieve the records for a particular table. And now guys, I'll be going to show you how to put the values inside your column families. So let's have a look, followed by the command as put, and this is our table name where exactly we'll be going to put the values, followed by the row name, row key, that's basically you need to define it at first. So in this case I'll be going to take as R1, and now I'll be going to define the fields, that's basically your column fields inside your column families. So first column family is your student, and in this case I'll be going to take the column as your student stud underscore ID. Now I'll be going to feed the values over here, and the value will be your 101. As you can see, I've taken now one more value I'll be going to add inside it, and here I have taken the row as R2. That will be my second row. So this is how I have feed the two values inside your column family student, and the name of the column which I have taken over here is student underscore ID. That's your student underscore ID. So now you can have a look, and you can just to retrieve the records you can just simply scan your table, followed by the name of the table. It's a scan. Now as you can see, it is showing two rows. So in this case we are having two rows, that's your basically value. One is 101 and the other one is your 102. Now I'll be going to show you how to feed the values for your second row, that is basically your second column family, that's your teacher. So in this case let's have a look. And here I'll be going to feed that value inside your first row itself. that's your R1. It's your first row key. This is my column, name of my column family, and here I'll be going to take the column as your teacher ID, and I'll be going to feed the value as T11. So now it has been created. Now again, one more ID, and we're going to take it as for your second teacher ID. Inside, I'll be going to take it this particular value inside your second row. So now have a look. So as you can see, so this is our value. So based on your first row, as you can see inside your first row, that's basically your row key ID 1, R1. We have feed the two values. One is 101 and the other one is your T11. And the inside your row key 2, that's your R2. We have also feed the two values, that's your 102 and the other one, that's your teacher ID, we have taken as T11. Now again, we're going to have a look. We're going to put the name for your student, column family. That will be inside R1 itself. For this, I'll be going to take the student as your column family, and here I'll be going to take the column as your student name. You have to give the value as Joy. Now it has been created. Now again, I'll be going to take the another name as Alice inside your column family student itself, and here I'll be going to feed the value inside your R2. So now again, you can check it. So now as you can see, we have feed the three values inside your first row, and inside your second row also we have feed the three values. So two column families we are having, one is your student and the other one it's your teacher. So inside student we are having two columns. One is your student underscore ID and the one it's your student underscore name. Inside your column family teacher we are having only one column as teacher underscore ID. So this is how we feed the values inside your column families, that is inside your columns, basically inside your HBase shell. And if you want to get, get the data from the table based on by using your row key, so in that case the command is get followed by the name of your table, that is school, and followed by the name of your row ID, that's your row key. In this case, I'll be going to take it as R1. So as you can see, inside your R1, we are having three columns. The first two, it comes under your column family, student, and the other one, it's your teacher. So basically, we are having three rows inside your particular row key. Based on your row key, that's your R1. So this is how we deal the data sets inside your HBase shell. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and click the subscribe button to stay updated with latest videos. Thank you guys. That's all for now.